feeling tired all the time after hitting 40. I get it. That afternoon slump hits hard, and sometimes even a good night's sleep doesn't seem to do the trick. You might think it's just a normal part of getting older, but what if I told you that a simple, delicious drink before bed could help you wake up feeling refreshed and full of energy? It sounds almost too good to be true, but stick with me, because this isn't about some magic potion. It's about giving your body the right nutrients at the right time. As we age, our bodies change. Our metabolism slows down, muscle mass can decrease, and our hormonal balance shifts. All of this can contribute to feeling fatigued. Many of us reach for another cup of coffee or a sugary snack to get through the day. But that's just a temporary fix that often leads to a bigger crash later on. The real key is to support our body's natural recovery processes, and that happens while we sleep. So, what is this amazing night drink? It's a simple, homemade golden milk latte, but with a special twist. You've probably heard of golden milk kits, a warm drink made with turmeric, and it's been used for centuries for its anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is a hidden energy thief, and tackling it is one of the first steps to feeling better. But we're going to supercharge it for energy and recovery. Here's how to make it. Start with a cup of unsweetened almond milk or coconut milk. These are great dairy-free options that are easy on the digestive system. Warm it up in a saucepan, but don't let it boil. Now for the star ingredient, half a teaspoon of high-quality turmeric powder. To boost its absorption, always add a tiny pinch of black pepper. The piperine in pepper can increase curcumin's bioavailability by up to 2000%. Next, we add a quarter teaspoon of cinnamon. Cinnamon is fantastic for helping to stabilize blood sugar levels. Those energy spikes and crashes I mentioned earlier, cinnamon helps smooth them out, which is crucial for sustained energy throughout the day. Plus, it adds a wonderful, comforting flavor. Now for the energy-boosting twist. We're going to add half a scoop of a clean, high-quality collagen powder. Why collagen? As we get older, our natural collagen production declines. Collagen is the most abundant protein in our bodies, essential for our joints, skin, and you guessed, to our muscles. Supporting muscle health is vital for maintaining a healthy metabolism and energy levels. Having it at night helps your body repair and rebuild while you sleep. And for a final touch of calm, we'll add a quarter teaspoon of ashwagandha powder. This is an adaptogen, which means it helps your body manage stress. Cortisol, the stress hormone, can wreak havoc on our sleep and energy. Ashwagandha helps to bring things back into balance, promoting a more restful and deeper sleep. When you sleep better, you recover better, and you wake up with more energy. It's that simple. Gently whisk everything together until it's smooth and frothy. If you like it a little sweet, you can add a tiny drop of monk fruit sweetener or stevia, but try to avoid regular sugar, as that defeats the purpose. Pour it into your favorite mug, find a cozy spot, and sip it slowly about an hour before you go to bed. Making this a nightly ritual does more than just give your body nutrients. It's a signal to your brain that it's time to wind down. It's a moment of self-care, a way to distress from the day and prepare for a night of true rest. Instead of scrolling on your phone, you're nourishing your body from the inside out. Consistency is key. You might not feel a dramatic difference after just one night, but after a week or two, you'll likely start to notice some real changes. You might find you're falling asleep faster, sleeping more soundly, and that dreaded 3 p.m. slump might just become a thing of the past.